Hello and welcome back to eBiz Startup Secrets. Now in this video we're going to be talking about customizing the look of your site with a theme. Now WordPress is a very customizable website. That's really what makes it unique in terms of site builders. First of all, of course, it's free to use, but second of all, you can always customize the look and the functionality. Now, once you've decided on what your business is, or what your market is, or what your niche is, you can then start talking about customizing the look of your site with a theme. Now, WordPress themes can be either paid or free. I'm going to show you that here in a minute. Themes can be found inside of WordPress. So although you can probably do a search on Google, you can also do that same kind of search inside of WordPress. I would actually suggest that you do it that way. Once you've defined your market and niche, you can always upgrade your theme to a paid theme, or you can always have a designer work with your theme to make it look the way you think your visitors would really be satisfied with. Lastly, you can choose a theme based on your site visitors and not on your preferences. In other words, you don't want to customize your website based on how you feel or how it makes you feel when you visit. You want to customize that website based on how you think your visitors will react. Okay, so what's comfortable for you may not be comfortable for your visitors. And if you've got to lean toward one or the other, lean toward making it comfortable for your site visitors. Now, I'm going to show you how to customize your theme here. And we're going to go into our WordPress website here. We're going to go to our eBiz startup site. Okay, so this is the site that we set up with WordPress. And I'm going to just log right into that site. And let's see, I'm just going to go off screen here. I'm going to log right in. And I'm going to log in, and then I'm right inside of my WordPress website. Once you're inside, in order to customize the look of your website, you're going to go to the appearance area, left-hand menu, and you'll see the themes bar. Click that link, and then what you can do is you can either take one of the themes and recustomize it, or you can go to install themes. Now, what WordPress will allow you to do is to look for themes in its database. So you can start thinking about whether or not you want to have a theme that's got one column, two columns, or three columns, or left bar, sidebar, or right sidebar. And you can do a search based on what you think your website should look like. And in some cases, I'm going to say that, well, I want the color blue in my website and I want it to have two columns. Okay, so then what I'm going to do is I'm going to find the themes that are blue in WordPress websites. Okay, and these are all free themes. So I can decide, okay, well, I like this theme. Okay, this is pretty professional, so I'm going to install this theme. And then I can actually preview it. I can take a look and see how my website's going to look. I can cancel that. I can return to the theme installer. And then I can go back and take another look at another set of parameters if I want to. So you don't want to spend a lot of time on this, but you do want to make sure the site has the look that you want. And remember, when you're starting out, the best thing to do is to get something clean and professional. Okay, so in other words, I would go for white and 2 columns so that you keep things simple. Now again, all of these looks really will depend on what you think you need. But until you really have a feel for your market, uh, the suggestion would be to go with something simple. However, do what you think is right for your business. Okay? Do what you think is right for the site visitors that you know will be coming to your website and will be conducive or will be wanting to buy things from you. That's the most important thing. If you are going to put this website together, you want to do it for the visitors. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in the next video.